If you're getting the error something went wrong while generating your image, sorry about that on ChatGPT, don't panic. Here's how you can fix it step by step. First of all, close the ChatGPT app completely and then reopen it. Many times, this error is just temporary and goes away after a restart. Next, make sure your internet connection is stable. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that helps. If the issue still continues, uninstall the ChatGPT app from your phone, then reinstall it from the App Store or Google Play Store. This clears out any corrupted cache or temporary files that might be causing the problem. Also, double check that you're logged into the correct OpenAI account and that your plan actually supports image generation. Free accounts may have some limitations. And if nothing works, try using ChatGPT through Safari on your iPhone or wait a while and check if OpenAI services are experiencing an outage. And that's how you can fix the something went wrong while generating your image error on ChatGPT. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos and thank you for watching.